So good day. How are you doing out there? All the people that like to subscribe to our channel. We have 1, 2, 3 people that like to come in and subscribe. Thank you a lot for just. It's a very busy day that I'm going to show you how I make the blazer with a collar on it without sleeves, and just a customer came by and then I just think of sharing this with you how I make it. And here right now patterns, and today I'm not going to show you how I make the patterns, but my patterns are already prepared. This is my front pattern and this is my back pattern, and I think I just need to write down. So as you can see there, that's my front, the back of the blouse, my scissor, my chalk, it's just to help me. I'll be using this fabric. This fabric, it's very good for trousers and to make blouse. It's so good. I really like it. It's not kind of made out of like polyester, or it's just mixed with cottons and other maybe material or whatever. So this is what I'm going to work with for this color gray, if I'm not mistaken. This is color gray. It's important that, as I told you, that whenever you are starting, you have to start already measure yourself if you're making for yourself something, or maybe if you're making for your customer. And like these blouses that I'm making, it's a 32 size. Maybe here you can check. Size 32 is what I'm going to work on. And so it's very, very important. First of all, as a fashion designer, you have to start with your measurement. I have now 2 pieces that I have for the bag, and this is what I'm going to cut. It's what I'm going to cut now. I will place this on the material and then I will cut it. Another piece. You can see this is something that I will just put from the inside of the blazer, that I have to cut exactly the same like for the front. I don't know what it's called in English, but you will just understand it.
Evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
conclusion of our, I forget, and you can just see there's a bag there. And so maybe you can comment and see, how does this look like? How does this look like? So this is what I was doing, and there I was doing 3 of them, because this is just a customer that give me the material so I can do for them. Then I thought of you to share with you. So and so and so, and so maybe I can go out of this one, and then let me check which one can I wear. This one is a little bit longer. Of course, this one. Wow. This is how I was instructed to make it. I didn't make it because I want to make it like this, but I get an instruction from the customer. This is what they want it to be. There. This is like a little bit longer, as you can see it. There. That. And like that. Ooh. This is so looking so official. Yeah. Until next time, see you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, because we have a good plan for you. Subscribe.